How to adjust settings and vertical position on Envision monitor. And okay guys, here in your Envision monitor, on the back of this you can see the joystick. Okay, you can push the joystick to the right to see these settings and go to OSD setup. Okay, you can push the joystick down to go to OSD setup and push to the right the joystick to go to this B position or vertical position and push down the joystick to select the B position. The B position is set into 0%. Okay, you can change this by press the joystick to the right and now here in adjustment. Okay, you can adjust down or up this adjustment. Okay, for my example, I push the joystick up and the settings position is going to the top if you press the joystick up. And if you want back again below the setting, okay, press the joystick down and put into 0% this B position. And okay guys, that's it. We have successfully adjust settings in vertical positions on Envision monitor. And okay guys, if you have a question, kindly comment below. And don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the bell to notify you if I have new video. Okay, thanks for watching.